One thing I was going to mention is people always see the negatives, don't they, in dead wood. So, well, they don't always, but you know what I mean. There's that negative side of it. It's rotting down, so it's giving off its carbon very, very slowly, because a thick tree trunk can take years and years to die down. But what's forgotten as well is the amount of things that live on that all year round. And those things, those living creatures, those beetles, those birds, those different insects underneath and breeding on it and laying their eggs on it, using it, all the fungi this time of year, the different fungus that breed on it, they all respire, they all breathe, and that's part of the oxygen cycle. So even though something is dead, and it is, yes, it is contributing to the carbon dioxide as it rots down, it's providing a home in that time for so many things that need it and need to survive and breathe. And that's where the ecosystem comes in. Let me take you up here and just see this. You've been there a sec. Look at this array here. There's just so much fungus in this one little area. It's like a fairy ring. And then the bracket fungus on the dead and decaying silver birch. Big bracket fungus on this part here, look. It's all breathing.